wants, then next to that nigger.
There's one fry, 5 McCrispy, and 1 Big Mac. They didn't have the love that you needed. Yeah.
This is my carry-on right here. This can be seen. This is my neck pillow for the airplane. This is where my USB-C cable. This is my wallets for Japan. I'll be carrying my Scotty vest. Coin purse now empty. Here's my passport. Here are my credit cards. Driver's license just in case. I've got about $510 in US cash that I can convert to yen upon arrival. All packs in the front here. Eventually into my Scotty vest after we are packed in, ready to go. Here's my Woolies hoodie and that laptop. It's my tripod. Medicines, DJI mic. This journals, extra battery, AirPod Pro for noise cancellation of the airplane. There's my battery packs, cables, laptop adapter. Here is wall warts, chargers, USB cables, 4 of them, DJI batteries, and at the bottom of it is 1 extra wool shirt, 1 extra wool socks, 1 extra wool panty. Here is a scale. So that goes in like that for easy presentation to TSA, like that, and like this. Sometimes they like, in Japan I think they like to see the laptop out, presented to them separately. So that is that, and this magnetically locks like this. And here's the scale, proving that this is only about 19 pounds.
Did you get a, what do you call it?
19 pounds. This, the big one, contains my clothes, almost 2 weeks worth of socks, t-shirts, long shirts, 1 long pants, 1 short pants, beanie, gloves, New Zealand sun hat, a big giant duffel bag to prevent rattling, some other stuff to prevent rattling. So now it's just a matter of Mama finishing packing and we're ready to go.
That's why it's all about economics for them. That's the only thing at this point that really affects them. Many of them have moved off to gated communities, or some version of that. Isolated themselves. Some version of white flight. Isolated themselves from the other issues that come along with diversity. Hell, some of these boomers have multiple homes.